Last morning, Anna and Mark went for a long walk along the river near their small hometown. The morning was calm and peaceful, with birds singing in the trees. Anna noticed some yellow flowers and picked a few to bring home. Mark enjoyed the natural scenery and the fresh air. They talked about their plans for the summer and the upcoming festival in the local park. Walking slowly, they crossed a wooden bridge and stopped to watch the ducks swimming nearby. Anna smiled, feeling relaxed and happy. Mark reminded her to take pictures of the colorful landscape. As the sun started to set, they headed back, enjoyed the warm glow of the evening. It was a perfect day to remember